Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and all you other social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Monday? Here we are getting ready to do one of our clients' dispute letter. Very quick, easy, and fast. He just signed up with us today, about a few hours ago, and he's in Houston, and we are in El Paso, and we are gonna get this taken care of for him real quick. I just want to take it and show you guys real quick. Um, Let's see, go ahead to put into some accounts. Okay, go into that one is 3211 0 XX. Okay, because we have to protect the client's number, so we'll go into that. Identity theft, what you want to go do? It's not mine. Boom. Okay, continue. Then we're gonna add another one. Add another one. The other one is he has child support. Okay, the child support is 1126789999. Okay. Okay, following close. Okay, we'll go there. We'll go there. Okay, we'll go into that. So you gotta check out. The reason why we're doing this is because we're able to create letters for all three credit bureaus. Okay, so we're doing that. We're doing that. So that quick, we have letters created for the client. Sorry about that. So now we're gonna go back and we have them ready to print, ready to go. See what you guys think. How would you guys like to take off out of your credit? Take off. Let's see. Come on, baby. $26,679 off your accounts, off your credit history. How would you like to do that? That's one account. The other one is 25. The other one is again 25,979, 25,979. Two different ones, as you could tell. So, how would you like to have over almost 70 some $1,000 worth of debt come off? Child support, foreclosures, judgments, tax liens, medical bills, school loans, financial aid. How would you like to be able to take it off? Easy, quick, and simple, and anywhere in the nation. We are doing this from our business. We are in El Paso. Our client is in Houston, and we're getting this taken care of from. Simple, affordable. We like to do this in performance. We don't get paid. We don't like to prolong things. You know what I mean? We'll get you up and running and get you qualified for whatever you need it for, or just if you just want to have good credit, we'll get you taken care of. Bye.